quick tip. This tip will be on Saturday's video, but we'll be lost on it in the middle of it. So the tip is, yes, when you change your tire, because I do have a flat tire, see? If you have like a white floor or you don't want your floor to get dirty, put your chain in a plastic bag, you know? So this way, see how dirty it would be? This way is protected. Yes, I like this tip. I just learned it because when I look at the floor, it was all dirty, and I said, no, 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 my white floor, no way. So the tip of the day is put your chain in a plastic bag while you're fixing your tire. Yes, I did have a flat tire. It does happen. Hope you like it. And watch the whole video on Saturday. Be a very nice one. Bye-bye.